Hi everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Getting Social with Nick. Now for today's video, we're going to be going over the top 5 skills or attributes that every single successful social media manager should have. Now these are definitely not the only skills, but these are the top skills that you should have. All right, no more intro, let's get into it. Almost hit my mic. All right, now the first skill that you should have to be a successful social media manager, and that is copywriting. Not copyright, but copyright. Now, pretty much every single social media platform is a visual medium. Now, you may be asking yourself, wow, is this really number one? Yes, this is by far the most underlooked skill for every single social media manager. You have to be really good at copywriting. A good social media manager through writing will find out the best way to get more engagement while simultaneously getting the most information out there to the potential client. There's a big difference between posting a photo with a terrible caption and then posting a photo with an awesome caption. There's a big difference in tweeting something that is terrible and good. Now you have to find ways to capture the audience and get them to engage with your content. So posts, descriptions, tweets, messaging potential clients, all copywriting, and those are all skills that you must improve upon to become a good social media manager. All right, let's get into the next one. Now, the second skill that you must have to be a successful social media manager, that is customer service. Now, a lot of people don't think about this, but on a couple accounts that I've managed, they get more DMs and comments than they get phone calls. So we are interacting more with potential clients than, like, let's say the customer service person that picks up the phone. You must have a good customer service background to know what to say, to know what to do to get them in, to book appointments. So a lot of people should shift their thinking from purely social media to also having a good customer service skill set. If customers have problems, you need to know how to deal with that. If customers have questions about the whole line of products, you need to know how to deal with that. If a customer has a specific question or inquiry or wants to make an appointment, you also need to know how to deal with that. So yeah, social media managers must have a good customer service skill set. All right, let's go to number 3. Now for number 3, it is you must have a love for data or analytics. They're the same thing. So not only does it fall on the social media manager to get stuff out and produce the best content, have the best copy, get the most engagement, it is also important for them to take a step back and analyze everything that they've done from either week to week, month to month. Some people even do it daily. So you have to be willing to go back and analyze all the analytics and see what's working and what's not, and how to adjust your profile accordingly. You also have to look at the specific goals for each platform. Is it to drive clicks to your website? Is it to get people to call? You should have tracking analytics in place so you can see how well your campaign is going on each specific platform. Now, whether it's links, you have stuff like Bitly where you can track how many people click it. Whether it's people that are calling in, you could have a specific phone number that they can call, and you can see how many people saw it and then called. You can analyze your community interactions. You can analyze your followers, their age, their gender. Then you extrapolate all that data, and then you can move forward with the best foot forward. I feel like that was a weird way to say that. Oh well, let's move on. All right, now number 4 is time efficiency. Now, this is so important. Time efficiency with any job, but especially for a social media manager with a lot of little tasks, is beyond important. Now, a lot of people get overwhelmed when they have, like, let's say 100 little tasks that they have to do, or when they get distracted doing one thing or the next. So a social media manager must have tools in place and/or the mental discipline to be super time efficient and make sure to get done whatever they had planned for that day or that week. Now, there's tools that can help you out with posting and hashtags and captions and all that. There's mental discipline that you have to develop. And these tools, especially with time efficiency, can be translated into your entire life so you can get the most done out of your life as well as your job. All right, let's move on to the last one. Now, I saved this for the last skill set because this doesn't always fall on the social media manager's job, but just in case it is in your job description, you really need to make sure that you have the skill. And that skill is content creation / public speaking. Some social media managers are the face of certain platforms. Whether you're sitting there asking questions on a live, or you're hand modeling, or you're modeling certain products, or asking customers questions, you do have to be comfortable in front of the camera if this is in your job description, which it isn't a lot, but not all. And also content creation. You do need to figure out how to create interesting videos, photos. So you do need at least a basic understanding of design and also capturing content for the business. Now, like I said, it doesn't always fall in the social media manager job. I've had jobs where I just make the content. I've also had jobs where I had to make the content and post. It really just depends on the company and what's expected of you. All right, and that is it. Those are my top 5 skills you must have to be a successful social media manager. Now, if you have any questions or you want to add anything, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. If you liked this video and you saw value in it, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you next time. Peace.